Are you suffering from plantar fasciitis pain? You have heel pain and it hurts when you take those first few steps in the morning or after you've sat a while? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you about a healing, penetrating salve that I have come up with for my own plantar fasciitis and that has totally transformed my pain. I literally have no more pain, and I think it has actually completely healed it. Now, I've actually tried everything from, insoles, new shoes, the frozen water bottles, rolled my foot on a ball, all that kind of stuff, and nothing helped me. And I've had this plantar fasciitis maybe close to a year now. And I've pretty much basically figured I was just going to have to live with the pain until it just went away on its own. And with a really active lifestyle and having to work on my feet all the time, it was really hard to get this to heal. Well, what I did is I started making a healing salve for some of my customers with arthritis and, like their hands and joints and stuff like that. And I had extra left over, and I had poured it into a container for myself and put it by my bed. And I just decided, since my feet were tired and everything, I just rubbed my feet with it before I went to bed. Well, I did this night after night, and after about a week, I noticed that I didn't have any pain anymore in, my feet. But I didn't correlate it with the salve. And what I ended up doing is I did a little experiment. I didn't use it for a couple days, and the pain came back. And then I started using it again, and the pain went away, and it hit me, oh, it's this salve. Oh my gosh, So I kept using the salve over and over and over again, and now it's completely healed it. I mean, I don't even have to use the salve, and it's gone. But I do 100% give credit to this salve. And now I do make it and sell it, but I want everyone to have this recipe because you can make it at home. It's really, really simple, and you can't really mess it up or anything. What I have is it's about a half a cup of organic, raw, unrefined coconut oil, and a fourth cup of raw shea butter, and 2 tablespoons of raw beeswax. This is the base, and you'll want to melt that down and mix it up really good. Make sure that it's all combined together really good. Then I add about a half a teaspoon of black seed oil, and make sure you get really good black seed oil, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric oil, and then 5 drops each of wintergreen oil, vetiver oil, and helichrysum oil. All these can be bought at your local health food store, or you can order them online or anything like that. All this stuff can be bought, online. Anyways, you add those drops in there, mix it all up really good, and then pour it into a heat-safe container since it'll already be warm. Something like glass, like a mason jar, or you could put it into a metal tin or something like that. Let it cool, and then put this by your bed. And you'll want to use this every night before you go to sleep. So after a shower, you'll want to, before you're going to go to bed, you just rub the bottom of your feet where your pain is with this salve, and then put a clean sock on and go to sleep. In the morning, you can put another thin layer on if you go to work, but only if you wear socks and shoes. You wouldn't want to do it if you wear heels or if you wear sandals or something like that. And it's not necessary to do it in the morning. Just the night application is the most important while you sleep. Let that penetrate and just completely heal, all that area. You will absolutely feel the difference. And it really is good for arthritic pain too, in your joints, your hands. And you'll get that benefit while you rub your feet. You'll have it on your hands, so you'll really notice the difference in your hands too. I really hope this helps everybody, and hope you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it. Thanks, bye. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, I'll leave the recipe and the directions in the description below. That way you can copy and paste it and save it to your computer if you want. And please hit the like button and the notification bell too for future videos. Thanks, bye.